So we are here now in Qatar Cinema. This is B Square before, ngayon Automama Mall na, right now. So we're going to watch Avatar Fire and Ash. Hello guys, welcome back to Dokjun channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Our evening started very simply. No fancy restaurant, no Instagrammable cafe, just McDonald's. Simple dinner lang. Burger, wrap, jalapeno cheese, fries, iced coffee, karak, and soft drink. Habang kumakain, tahimik lang ako. Yung tahimik na parang may iniisip na malalim. Pero gutom lang pala. Si Tyler naman happy lang. Basta may pagkain, may kasama, at may lakad, okay na siya. Actually, galing pa kami ng Kabayan Express to process my PRC renewal. Forms here, signature there, photocopy, and of course, may bayad din. Of course, kalmado lang tayo dito dahil sanay naman tayo sa mga ganito. And of course, si Carol na double check na rin niya ang lahat ng mga requirements. While going to the cinema, we're just enjoying each other's company, and habang si Tyler nag-i-enjoy ng kanyang ice cream. Pagdating namin sa cinema area, ayun na, the sacred ritual started. Yung waiting and of course, buying popcorn. Hindi pa nagsimula ang movie pero parang may decision-making crisis na. Small, medium, large, with butter, extra butter, cheese or caramel, combo or solo. Finally, nakabili na rin. Popcorn in hand, tickets ready, feeling namin parang we earned this moment. Sometimes we don't need to escape life. We just need to pause it. When we entered the place, the lights were still on. Tahimik dahil kami lang tatlo so far. Patay pa ang screen, so we were able to go easily in our chosen seats. While watching the movie, hindi ko naisip ang trabaho, hindi ang deadlines, hindi ang PRC forms. Just as sitting there, I focused, Carol enjoying every moment, Tyler was so amazed. What is funny about it, may mga popcorn na natapon, may mga nagulat sa sound effect, at may nagtanong ano ang nangyari kahit nakita naman sa screen. At doon ko na-realize, perfect moments aren't quiet, they are messy, funny, and shared. Hindi naman kami bida sa pelikula, pero bida kami sa sarili naming kwento at that night. So what did we really learn that night? Of course, that simple McDonald's dinner can feel special when shared with the right people. That PRC renewals and life responsibilities are easier when may kasama kang tumatawa. That waiting in line, buying popcorn, and watching a movie can remind you that life isn't about rushing. It's about being present. At kung may natutunan man ako kina Carol at Tyler at that night, ito yon. Life doesn't need to be epic like a movie. Sometimes it's really meaningful. You just need to watch it with the right people. At kung may natutunan din naman ako sa movie, conflict doesn't only come from outside enemies. It often comes from pain, loss, and choices made within a culture. The story suggests that even a world built on harmony can produce destruction when grief and anger are lived and resolved. And power and progress mean nothing without balance and empathy. I say that healing, whether for people, communities, or natures, requires understanding one another, not just winning battles, and that true strength comes from choosing responsibility over rage. Maraming salamat for watching, at kung may best lesson man ako ngayong gabi, sana next time extra cheese na ang popcorn. Kung nagustuhan niyo ang kwentong ito, remember, Life is better when shared, lessons are lighter when laughed at, and journeys are meaningful when may kasamang tao. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Doc Jun channel. Thank you, bye, and God bless.